Hello everyone, welcome to Topper IS. Today we will be discussing one of the article, means one of the news that was in news in Hindu, and this will be discussed keeping in mind UPSC mains. Okay, so let's get started then. So this is article, means we are going to discuss with respect to NATO and its withdrawal from the Afghanistan, and what are the security, what are the implications of this withdrawal. Okay, so North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, is nothing but a intergovernmental uh, military alliance of member countries from Europe and North America. Okay, so they have an objective to defend collectively. Okay, so what happened is that recent news is that they are going to withdraw from the Afghanistan. So what are all these? How did it all began? That we are going to see with the background and all. So basically, was a U.S. Taliban conflict. Okay, so it began with the 9/11 attack. You might have often come across the word 9/11 attack or September 11, 2001. So what happened on this day is, the deadliest terrorist attack was uh, happening in, United States of America. So Al Qaeda, an international terror network, attacked US on September 11, 2001, and it was one of the deadliest terrorist attack in the human history that killed over 3,000 people at once. Okay, so this was very deadliest. So what US, the person behind the attack was Osama bin Laden, and US blamed that Osama bin Laden is operating under the cover of Taliban. So during that time, Taliban had the control over Afghanistan. Okay, so it was operating in Afghanistan. So what US said, it asked Taliban to hand over the bin Laden, but it refused. So that led to military efforts of NATO to invade Afghanistan. Okay, so this is how the conflict began. Okay, then what happened? Uh, the US along with NATO invoked Article 5 of NATO, where 60 countries sent their troops to fight in the Afghanistan. So the mission was called with the title Operation Enduring Freedom. So once the invaded, what happened? Taliban lost its control, and Taliban's control in Afghanistan weakened. Okay, so this happened, and even in the course of time, even Osama bin Laden was killed, and NATO consequently withdrew. Okay, so what happened? Despite that end of almost over of the war, what it was thought that still Afghan military will not hold its power on its own, because Taliban can resurrect again. So resurgence of Taliban was expected. So what US thought was to keep a part of its military back in Afghanistan to assist Afghan government of the day. So, but what happened, the partial withdrawal created a vacuum, and Taliban used this opportunity to regain the control it had in the Afghanistan territory. Okay, so what we saw was, in by the end of 2018, Taliban was active in almost 70% of the Afghanistan. So initially, when NATO invaded, Taliban had lost the control, but again in 2018, it has regained its power in the Afghanistan territory. So what the that, so the question comes, what now US wants to do in Afghanistan. So it has said that it is going to withdraw its forces from the Afghanistan. It has been already 2 decades, and recently US a president also has commented that no forces can defeat Taliban forces. That it was said from the higher source that no amount of forces can deter the Taliban or even end the war. So recently, US tried to negotiate peace talks with Afghan government and Taliban to achieve peace in the year. So that's why it was in news. US and Taliban signed a landmark deal with respect to the Doha. So you can expect question even in prelims. Doha peace talks was related to. So it was related to Afghanistan peace issue. Okay. So as a consequence of this agreement, what US agreed is US agreed to withdraw all its soldiers from Afghanistan in 14 months. So this was the agreement held. So, but what is the thing is, withdrawal of US troops from the Afghanistan can lead to a security disaster in the South Asian region. So this is a worrying sign for India. So what is, US military alliance pulling out of Afghanistan is a worry for India, because it might lead to disaster in the region. So security implications. So why it can lead to disaster? Because you can see the resurgence of Taliban, and this Taliban can be used as a safe haven for the terrorist. You see, almost now Taliban, we see that it's 70% of all the region of Afghanistan is almost, it is active now. So what was the case in 1990s? Taliban's used to recruit people and train them to carry out terrorist attacks in the various places. So those militants which were trained as part of Taliban, they included militants from Lashkar-e Taiba, and Jaish-e-Mohammed. And these people were responsible for the 2001 parliament attack on Indian parliament. Okay. The same thing also in 1991, there was a hijack of Indian airliner. Even there you saw the cooperation between Taliban and militants. Okay, so already this was the case, and now again Taliban resurgence, if you see, that will have a serious security concerns for India, because already we have India has faced serious terror attacks. Mumbai terror attacks of 2008, and Pulwama attack. So India faces security threat. So with the US pulling out from Afghanistan, this will add new security concerns for India as a nation. So that was the crux of it. So what we discussed was, how did the Afghan issue began with the Osama bin Laden and Al Qaeda network attacking US. So from then US counterattack, invading the territory, then Taliban fighting almost 2 decades. But what we saw was, it was US did not won the war. So 2 decades has passed. So what we see at the end is again Taliban has resurged. Okay, so this will have a serious implications for the security in the South Asian region, even specifically for India, because in the past India has already seen the attacks from the militants who were trained by Taliban's. Okay, and already there was a question asked, okay, in UPSC means in 2013, what it said was, question was, the proposed withdrawal of International Security Assistance Force from Afghanistan in 2014 is fraught with major security implications for the countries of the region. So we already saw militants who were trained by Taliban had carried out attacks in India. So they not only just India, they might carry out attacks in other nations as well. So that is the security implications for the countries of the region, and examine in the light of the fact that India is faced with a plethora of challenges and needs to safeguard its own strategic interest. So that's what n number of terrorist attacks. So resurgence of Taliban will further compound the security challenges that India faces. So International Security Assistance Force is nothing but NATO-led military alliance. The name for NATO-led military alliance established through the resolution of UNSC Security, that is United Nations Security Council. So the name is International Security Assistance Force. It is a NATO-led military alliance. So in 2014 they withdrew. So question was, what were the security implications for the region? Okay, so if you had note the background and all those Taliban issue, you would have definitely written a well answer to the question. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. You can also download the PDF of this document in the link that is given below. Thank you. Have a good day.